This is a tangle that I'm naming Sasquatch. It's a bunch of different tangles in one, but essentially we're going to start out with gratitude, grateful for the pen, the paper. Find things to be grateful for. Take some deep breaths. Inhale everything that you're grateful for, that you love, that bring you joy. And on the exhale, get rid of all the junk. And when you're exhaling, relax your shoulders. Make sure you breathe when you're tangled, that you're not holding your breath. You can use any pen, any paper, any blending tool. It does not matter, whatever you have. I use this for meditation, stress relief, anxiety relief. That's what I use it for me. I'm not saying it cures those things, but for me, it helps them. So this is a piece of paper. I put 4 dots of pencil, and then I drew a pencil border, and now I'm inking the border. Now what I'm doing is just taking these random shapes. To me, they're kind of like, I would say, boulders. And so I'm not making them perfectly rounded. And I'm just going all the way along the outside with what will end up being the biggest of the boulders. And that's kind of why this is Sasquatch to me, is because, well, you'll see the stamp that we put on it. But all I do is go all the way around, taking my time, breathing, nice and light with the pen, light with the grip of the pen. And really, this is where I find my meditation. I find that all I can think of is the tangle I'm doing. And so now I'm going to do the next level inside of this. So essentially, I'm making it so that it looks like if you would look down into a well or into like a hole or something like that. So this is the second layer, and all I'm doing with the second layer again is I try to kind of go in between the other boulders because it will help with dimension. And so I just keep doing this. And then I end up doing this all the way down to the bottom. They'll get smaller as you go. And it's just a really fun tangle, at least I think. So now all I did was I reinforced the ink before we came back off camera. I thought the camera was on. Now I just aura inside of these. You can see all I'm doing is taking the pen and drawing lines that are the shape of these boulders, and then I aura them. So I just repeat it over and over again in each one. That's all I do. And so make sure that you breathe, you're light with the pen, relax your jaw. Check in with yourself. Are you biting your cheek? Are you crinkling your toes? Because we tend to move and shift things that are stressful, and where we hold tension, we tend to move it. So we might say, oh yeah, I was holding my breath, and then you move it somewhere else. So now I'm taking just a regular pencil, and all I am doing is putting it on the outside of each layer. And that's it. And then when I take the tortillon, all I do is see how it's just on the outside of each layer as it goes down. Now, I do add some graphite to some of the aura lines in each boulder because it kind of makes them look bumpy, okay? I always recommend holding tangles far away from you as you tangle, and sometimes to turn off the harsh light. The reason I say turn off the harsh light is because, as you can see right now, you can see the 3D-ness of this, and the 3D-ness you can see much better when it's not in a bright. So now I'm taking a stamp of a Sasquatch and feet, and I'm going to put it on this. This company is no longer in business, so I don't even think you could get the stamps anymore. But that's what I ended up putting on here, as though he was going into kind of this cave setting with the tangles. I thought it was really funny and cute. So you can do so many things with this. Now, this is a great time if you have not subscribed. Please make sure you subscribe. Watch my other videos. I have some really long 1 to 2 hour videos that are full free classes about tangling. And remember, it's all about the journey to the end of the tangle, and the tangle is a bonus at the end. It's all about you taking care of you and letting your mind relax. And remember, it's okay to go outside the lines. See you next time.